Hello guys, so today we are starting final NEET UG 2024 examination test paper with answer of NEET 2024 biology question paper. So welcome to my channel, RA Official Educator, and today we are starting from our first question of NEET most important questions. So first question is, lecithin, a small molecular mass weight organic compound found in living tissue. Living tissue lecithin coming in phospholipid. Concavalin A. Next, which following are required for dark reaction? Dark reaction of photosynthesis means without light. Without light reactions are CO2, ATP, NADPH. So C, D, E. So our answer is 3. Spindle fibers attached to kinetochore of chromosome during. They are attached in kinetochore of chromosome during metaphase, where they are attached like this way, where we can see chromosome clearly. Okay. Next question, bulliform cells. Bulliform cells are colorless cells and they are responsible for inward curling. Inward curling leaves in monocot because of loss of water. 105. In given figure, component has thin outer wall and highly thickened inner wall at which layer? So they have at sea level. This area has thin outer wall layer and thickened inner wall layer. So our answer is 1. 106. What is the fate of the peas carrying only gene of interest? Only gene of interest which transferred into alien organism. First, a piece of DNA would be able to multiply itself independently in the progeny cell of organism. Wrong. Then it may be integrated into genome of recipient. Yes. In alien organism, it may be integrated in genome of recipient. C is it may multiply and be inherited along with the host of DNA. Yes, it can be multiplied and along with host of DNA. Alien piece of DNA is not an integral part, is wrong, and ability to replicate is also wrong. So our answer is B and C, which is given in third option. Next, given following two statement, Bt toxin are insect group of specific and coded by gene CRYL1AC. So it is true. Next, Bt toxin exists as inactive protoxin. Inactive protoxin bethiogenesis. After ingestion by insect, inactive protoxin get converted into active in acidic pH of cut. Is it right? No, acidic pH नहीं आएगा. इधर क्या आएगा? Alkaline pH of insect gut. So A is true and B is false. Our answer is 3. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. List of endangered species was released by IUCN, International IUPAC Common Union Code of Nomenclature. So next question is, identify part of seed from given figure designed to form a root when the seed germinates. So it will be our C, radical. Next, Clostridium butylicum. Clostridium butylicum will be butyric acid. Ethanol, Trichoderma polysporum cyclosporin and Streptococcus is streptokinase. So our answer is 3. Next, going to next question. Identify type of flowers based on position. Calyx, corolla and androecium. So we have to suggest which type of flower they are. So this is perigynous flower, and this is also a perigynous flower. So our answer is 4. Moving to our next question, 112. 112 is saying that auxin is used by gardener to prepare wheat-free lawns. But no damage caused to grass. They prepare wheat-free lawns, but they didn't do any damage to grass as auxin. So it promote apical dominance. No. Promote abscission of mature leaves. Does not affect mature monocotyledonous plant. Therefore, they do not harm or damage the grasses. Okay. Next, a pink flower snapdragon plant was crossed with red flower. What type of phenotype are expected? Okay, what type of when red and pink flower are crossed with each other, then which type of phenotype is expected? Red flower as well as pink flower, both we can see here. Okay. Next question is, which following is not a criteria for classification of fungi? So fungi, morphology of mycelium, yes. Mode of nutrition, yes, fungi have mode of nutrition. No, fungi do not have mode of nutrition. Fungi do not have mode of nutrition. Mode of spore formation, fruiting body, all they have, but they can't possess mode of nutrition. So our answer is 2. And 115 question is saying that the lactose present in growth of medium of bacteria transported to the cell by the action of permease, lactose permease. Next question, in plant black seed color is dominant over white seed color. In order to find out genotypic of black seed color, when we crossed black seed color with white seed color, then what we get? We get BB. Okay. So next, parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead. Is it right? No, collenchyma is not dead. Sclerenchyma is dead. Gymnosperm lack xylem vessel, but presence of xylem vessel is a characteristic of angiosperm. Yes, it is true. So answer is 4. Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Next question, how many molecules of ATP and NADPH required for every molecule of CO2 fixed in Calvin cycle? So in Calvin cycle, C3 cycle, how many ATP and NADPH we need? We need 3 molecule of ATP and 2 molecule of NADPH. Okay, going to next question, 119. A transcription unit in DNA is defined primarily by the 3 region in DNA, and these are with respect to upstream and downstream end. So upstream and downstream, and we use promoter, structure gene and terminator. Going to our next question, 120. Tropical region shows greatest level of species richness. Why? Because tropical latitude have remained relatively undistributed for millions of years, and hence time was available for species diversification. Yes. Tropical environment, more seasonal? No, it is not a reason. More solar energy is available. Yes, more solar energy is available. And constant environment promote night specialization. Yes, tropical environment are constant. Yes, they are constant and predictable. So this make the tropical species richness. So our answer is 1. Moving to our next question, 121 says the equal world has pure logistic growth, dn upon dt, and this equation appear to denote what is k. What is k? K will be the carrying capacity. Next, inhibition of succinic dehydrogenase. Succinic dehydrogenase is a competitive inhibition. So answer is 3. Which following can be explained on basis of Mendel law of dominance? Mendel law of dominance, out of one pair of factors, one is dominant and the other is recessive. Yes. Allele do not show any expression and both characters appear as such in F2 generation. No, they show any expression. Factor occur in pair in normal diploid. Yes, normal diploid occurs in pair. The discrete unit controlling a particular character is called factor. Yes, the expression of only one of parental character is found in monohybrid cross. Yes, answer is 2. Next, the following is the nucleus. Nucleus site of formation of glycolipid. Centriole organization like a cartwheel, and leucoplast we use for storing nutrients, and Golgi apparatus site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. So our answer is 1. Moving to next question, identify set of correct statement. The flower of Vallisneria are colorful. Is they are colorful? No, they aren't colorful, and if they are colorful, they doesn't produce nectar. The flower of water lily are not pollinated by water. Flower of water lily does not pollinated by water. Yes, they pollinate by wind or insect. In most of water pollinated species, the pollen grain are protected from wetting. Yes, the pollen grain of some hydrophyte are long ribbon-like. Yes, they are long ribbon-like. In some hydrophytes, the pollen grain are carried passively inside the water. Yes, so our answer is 4. Next, moving to next question is also made the following. Rhizopus. Rhizopus is bread mold. Rhizopus is bread mold. Yes, A का 3. Ustiligo is a smut fungus, and Puccinia is a rust fungus, and agaricus is a mushroom. So the answer is 1. Next question. Hint to always cut DNA molecule at a particular point recognition sequence, and it consists 6 base pair. Which following is an example of actinomorphic? Actinomorphic कौन से? Actinomorphic Casia and actinomorphic is not Casia. Actinomorphic is Datura, chili, and this type of are actinomorphic. The type of conservation in which threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special setting where they can be protected and given a special care. These are taken out from their natural habitat, threatened species, then we will take it for special care in biodiversity conservation. Yes, next our question will be 130. 130, this is statement based question. Chromosome become gradually visible under light of microscope during leptoten. Is it true? Yes, the statement is true. It is visible under light. Okay, the beginning of diploten stage is recognized by dissolution of cyanotomal complex. Dissolution of cyanotomal complex in diploten. Right. So both statements are correct. Next, formation of interfascicular cambium from fully developed parenchyma cell is an example of dedifferentiation. Capacity to generate whole plant from cell of plant is called totipotency. Moving to next question is the following. Two or more alternative form of gene is called allele. Cross of F1 progeny with homozygous recessive parent. Cross is test cross. Next, cross of F1 progeny with any of the parent. Any of the parent means back cross. Number of chromosome set is ploidy. So our answer is 3. Next question. Cofactor of enzyme carboxyl peptidase. Enzyme carboxyl peptidase is zinc. Next, these are regarded as a major cause of biodiversity loss. Major cause of biodiversity loss are what? Yes, first is overexploitation, coextinction. Yes, coextinction, no, mutation नहीं है. And next, habitat loss, fragmentation. No, ये major cause नहीं है. Habitat loss and fragmentation aren't a major cause. Overexploitation, coextinction, and yes, habitat loss and fragmentation. Yes, only ये 3 is a ABD. 4. Next, make the following. Monodelphous is our China rose. Monodelphous. Didelphous is P. Polydelphous is citrus, and Epiphyllus means lily. So our answer is 1. Blood flow enable glucose transport into cell. Insulin is what? A hormone or enzyme? Insulin is a hormone. Trypsin is enzyme. Collagen is intercellular ground substance. So our answer is 1. Moving to our next question. 138. Identify step in tricarboxylic acid cycle which does not involve malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, right? Succinic acid, malic acid, yes. Succinic coenzyme to succinic acid, no. Next, make the following. Citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Electron transport system, ETS, occurs in inner mitochondrial membrane, and proton gradient intermembrane space. So our answer is 2. Next question. Match the following. Match the following here. Frederick Griff. Frederick Griff proposed what? Frederick Griff proposed transformation. Francis Jacob and Jacques Monod Le Couperin. Hargobind Khorana. Hargobind Khorana proposed what? He proposed the genetic code, and Messels and Stell, they proposed semi-conservative mode of DNA. Moving to our next question is 141. 141 question is saying identify Statement 1. In C3 plant, some oxygen bind to Rubisco, hence CO2 fixation is decreased. Yes, CO2 fixation decreased in C3 plant. And statement 2 is saying in C4 plant, mesophyll cell show very little photorespiration, while bundle sheath do not show photorespiration. Is it true? No, it shows photorespiration. So statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is true and 2 is false. Our answer is 3. Next, moving to next question, 142. Identify correct description about this figure. So, wind pollinated plant inflorescence showing well exposed stamens. Next, match the following. Rose. What is a rose? Rose is perigynous flower. In P we can say it is marginal presentation. Cotton, is it cotton twisted? Yes, cotton is twisted estivation. And mango, we called it as a drupe. So the answer is 1. Moving to our next question, 144. 144, it is saying read the following statement and choose the correct statement about Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae is what first? Phaeophyceae is a brown algae. Which algae? Brown algae. So we have to judge correct statement about brown algae. Asexual reproduction occurs by zoospore? Yes. Sexual reproduction by oogamous method. Oogamous method occur by sexual reproduction, but not in Phaeophyceae. So no. Stored food is in form of carbohydrate, which is either mannite or laminarin. Yes. Major pigment found are chlorophyll A, C, and carotenoids and xanthophylls. Yes. Vegetative cell have cellulosic wall usually covered outside by gelatinous coating, right? So our answer is A, C, D, E. So our answer is 3. Next, in ecosystem, if the net primary productivity of NPP tropical first level, or this would be GPP. So our third tropic level of ecosystem will same of 10 raised to x 10 into x k calorie m to year. Which following is correct? करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग इकोली रेप्लिकेशन. इकोली रेप्लिकेशन के बारे में करेक्ट क्या है? डीएनए डिपेंडेंट डीएनए पॉलीमरेज कैटेलाइज polymerization from what? From 5th to 3rd. So our answer is 4. And moving to next question, which following are fused in somatic? Somatic hybridization, जब ये नाम आए somatic hybridization, you should know that it is protoplasm. It is called protoplast. So our answer is 3. Spraying sugarcane crop with following regulate increase the stem. Increase the sugarcane stem. Increase in yield is only one and only one, gibberellin. Next, moving to our next question, make the following. Robert May ने क्या बताया था? Robert May has stated global species diversity at about 7 million. Alexander von Humboldt species area relationship. Paul Ehrlich river puppet hypothesis, and David Wilson long-term ecosystem experiment outdoor plot. So our answer is 2. Moving to our next question, 150. The DNA present in chloroplast. DNA present in chloroplast is which type of circular DNA and double-stranded. So next question. 151 is made the following. Common cold simple rhinovirus. Homozoin is which type? Homozoin we can say it is a plasmodium state. And viral test typhoid and allergy dust mite. So our answer is 3. Moving to our next question. Make the following. Here I have to measure cocaine. Cocaine is erythroxylum paper. Heroin Heroin is somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Morphine is used in surgery, effective sedative in surgery. Marijuana is cannabis sativa. Fibrous joint is which type of skull joint where bones don't allow any type of movement. Cartilaginous joint is our adjacent vertebrae limited movement. Hinge joint is which type of joint? Hinge joint is knee type joint, right? Hinge joint is knee, help in locomotion. Ball and socket joint is humeral and pectoral girdle joint. So our answer is 4. Moving to the next question, which following is an autoimmune disorder? Autoimmune disorder is myasthenia gravis, rheumatoid arthritis, not a muscular dystrophy. It is synthetic lupus erythematosus, LSLE. So the answer is 2. Which following is not a component of fallopian tube? Not a component of fallopian tube. Uterine fundus is not a component of fallopian tube. Next, flipper of penguin and dolphin are example of not natural selection. It is example of convergent evolution. Analogous. Alpha, now 157 match the following. And alpha antitrypsin is emphysema. Cryl 1AB is corn borer. Cryl 1AC is cotton bollworm. And enzyme replacement therapy at ADA deficiency. So our answer is 3. Next question, moving to next question, 158. Here the figure is given and we have to find out role of X and Y. What is X and Y here? X and Y. So the gene X is responsible for controlling the copy number of linked DNA and Y is responsible for protein involvement of plasmid. So our answer 2 is correct. Next, moving to next question, given the following statement. We have to judge this following statement. Breastfeeding during initial period of infant growth is recommended by doctor bringing a healthy baby. Yes, it is true. Next, colostrum contains several antibodies absolutely essential to develop resistance for newborn baby. So it is also true. So reason statement A and B both are correct and reason is correct explanation of A. So our answer is 1. Moving to next question, the TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens stand for tumor inducing plasmid. What tumor inducing plasmid? Next, going to next question is our make the following. Pleurobrachia, Ctenophora, Radula can be seen be mollusca. Stomachord is seen in Hemichordata and air bladder is present in Ostisthes. So the answer is 2. Next question, given below are some stages of human evolution. We have to arrange it. So first from old we can say Homo neanderthalensis, then Homo sapiens, then Homo erectus, then it will come Homo habilis. So our answer is no. पहले जो आएगा ना पहले वो होगा होमो हैबिलिस देन होमो इरेक्टस देन व्हाट विल कम होमो इरेक्टस के बाद आए हमारे नेंद्रेथल एंड देन होमो सेपियंस मीन्स आवर मॉडर्न मैन. सो आंसर इज 4. नेक्स्ट, गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच फॉलोइंग इज अ non-steroidal hormone is glucagon. It's not a steroidal hormone. Cortisol, progesterone, testosterone, all are steroid hormone. In both sexes of cockroach, a pair of jointed filament called anal cerci is present at 10 segment. Going to next question, 165. Which following factor will not affect Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? So constant gene pool will not affect any equilibrium. So our answer is 4. Next, moving to next question is match the following. Pons connect different region of brain. Hypothalamus balance each and everything. So we can say neurosecretory cells. Hypothalamus neurosecretory cells. Medulla control respiratory and gastric secretion. Cerebellum provide additional like neuron regulant and posture imbalance. So our 2. Answer is 2. Moving to next question is match the following. Match the following. Down syndrome. Down syndrome 21st chromosome. Alpha thalassemia is 16 chromosome, and beta thalassemia is 11th chromosome, and Klinefelter syndrome is presence of an extra X chromosome. So answer is 3. Which following is correct product of DNA dependent RNA polymerase in given template? So starting from reverse, find out AUG UA CC GU UUU, between में हमारा फिनाइल एलेनाइन आएगा, फिर AUG, फिर GUAA GU 3 नॉट. So answer is 1. Moving to next question is 169 statement based assertion reason. FSH act upon ovarian follicle in female and leading cell in male. So it is false. Now moving to next question. Growing ovarian follicle secrete estrogen in female. Estrogen in female, yes. And interstitial cell secrete androgen in male, yes. It is true. So statement A, assertion is false but reason is true. Moving to next question. Which following is not a natural or traditional contraceptive method? So Volts is not a traditional contraceptive method because it is used as a barrier. Next is the match the following. Non-medicated loop is Lips loop, and copper releasing is multilode 375. Hormone releasing IUD is hormone releasing is LNG20, and implant is, we can say, progesterone. So our answer is 4. Moving to our next question. Consider the following statement. Consider the following statement whether it is correct or not. So annelid are true column. Yes, they are true column. Yes, they are true column. बाकी दो ऑप्शन नहीं दिए, so we will write 2. Next we have to identify which type of muscles they are. So the first is involuntary. No. First is skeletal muscles, triceps. Second is smooth muscles. As we can see, smooth muscles is present in stomach, and these are cardiac muscles present in heart. So answer is 2. Moving to next question. Which following stage of pathway for conduction of an action potential through heart? So first what will happen? SA node, then SA node से वो जाएगा which SA node, then AV node, then AV node के बाद AV bundle, then it will go to branches, AV bundle to branches, then it will go to Purkinje fiber. Purkinje fiber will come at last. So our answer will be 1. Next question. 175 is the method following lipase. Lipase is ester bond. Yes, lipase is ester bond. Nuclease is phosphodiester bond. Protease is peptide bond, and amylase is glycosidic bond. So next method following is about cell the unit. Okay, next method following exoneme is cilia and flagella. Cartwheel is type of, we can say, cartwheel is type of centriole. Crista is present in mitochondria, and satellite is present in chromosomes. So our answer is 4. Next method following is diakinesis. Diakinesis is terminalization of chiasmata. Yes, 2. Pachydin is crossing over किधर लिखा है, recombination of nodule, and zygote and synaptonemal complex. Liptoden chromosome look like a thin thread here. So answer is 3. Next question. Which following factors are favorable for formation of oxyhemoglobin in alveoli? Oxyhemoglobin के लिए हमें चाहिए higher oxygen and less H+, means less temperature. So our answer is 2. Moving to next question is the match the following of Pterophyllum. Pterophyllum is our Pterophyllum angelfish. Myxine is our hagfish. Priscine is our sawfish, and Exocoetus is our flying fish. So our answer is 2. Next is human health and diseases by the following. Typhoid is bacteria. Leishmanias. Leishmanias is not a new. Leishmanias is a nematode. And ringworm. Leishmanias is not a nematode. Wait a minute. Typhoid is bacteria. Okay. And Leishmanias is protozoa. Ringworm is fungus. And filariasis is nematode. Anopheles mosquito here act. So our answer is 2. Moving to next question here. Incorrect statement. We have to take incorrect statement. A bioreactor provides optimal growth condition for achieving desired product. Yes. Most commonly used bioreactor are steering type. Yes. Bioreactor are used to produce small scale of bacterial culture. No, they produce large scale of bacterial culture. So our answer is 3. Next following question is statement based. So statement 1 is saying in nephron the descending limb of loop of handle is impermeable to water. Is it right? No, it is not impermeable. It is permeable to water. So our answer is 1. Statement 1 is false. Statement 2. Proximal convoluted tubule is lined by simple columnar. Simple columnar burst broader epithelium and increases surface area of absorption is also false. So our answer is 2. Next is also statement based question. The presence or absence of hymen is not reliable indicator of virginity. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Because hymen के present होने से कोई virginity का हम indicator नहीं बता सकते. Hymen is torn during the first coitus only. Yes or no? No. It is also torn in second coitus. So our answer is 3. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Next is our breathing gas and exchange question. So expiratory capacity, tidal volume plus ERV, tidal volume plus ERV. Functional residual capacity हमारी क्या होगी? Functional residual capacity होगी हमारी ERV plus RV. What? ERV plus RV. And vital capacity हमारी होगी, vital capacity will be like ERV plus TV. And inspiratory capacity will be TV plus IRV. Simple. So our answer is 1. Moving to the next question. Following stages of cell. So from our starting it will be gap 1 phase. Then we can say synthesis phase. फिर होगा हमारा phase what? gap 2 phase. फिर होगा हमारा gap 2 के बाद हमारा कौन सा phase आता है? गैप 2 के बाद हमारा फेस आता है कैरियोकिनेसिस, देन साइटोकिनेसिस. सो इस सीक्वेंस अगर हम जाए तो हमारा आंसर 4 इज़ करेक्ट. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इस जूलॉजी क्वेश्चन. हमारा जूलॉजी सेक्शन बी आ गया है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज सेइंग माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर बोथ डबल मेम्ब्रेन. क्या दोनों डबल मेम्ब्रेन के होते हैं? यस, दोनों ही डबल मेम्ब्रेन के होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इनर मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया रिलेटिवली लेस परमिएबल एज कंपेयर टू क्लोरोप्लास्ट. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लेस permeable or compared. So our answer is 3 because it is false. Next ये हमारा इवोल्यूशन चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है. Mesozoic era is which type of bird and reptiles era, and Proterozoic era is our lower invertebrate, and Cenozoic era is our mammals, and Paleozoic is for fish and amphibia. So the answer is 4. Moving to next question, given the following two statements. Statement 1 is saying Gauss competitive exclusion principle state that two closely related species competing for different resources cannot exist. Yes, they cannot exist. No, they can exist because different resources इधर लिखा है. We have to read it correctly. Statement 2 is saying according to Gauss principle during competition inferior will be eliminated. This may be true if resources are limited. Yes, अगर हमारे resources limited है तो एक eliminate हो जाएगा और दूसरा जो है वो feed कर लेगा. So statement 2 is true and 1 is false. So our answer is 4. Match the following. Here it is given. So first, unicellular glandular epithelium. Unicellular glandular will be our goblet cells. Goblet cells होगा हमारा compound epithelium. Compound epithelium will be our कंपाउंड कौन सा वाला हो सकता है? विल बी आवर मोस्ट सरफेस ऑफ बुक्कल कैविटी. मल्टीसेल्यूलर हमारे सेलिवरी ग्लैंड्स हो जाएंगे जो मल्टीपल होते हैं. एंडोक्राइन हमारा पेनक्रियाज हो गया. सो आवर आंसर इज 3. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is made the following. Yes, strong structure used for storing food. Which structure store food here? In cockroach structure. कॉकरोच और क्या अर्थवर्म का है पता नहीं. स्ट्रक्चर यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग फूड विल बी क्रॉप. इन क्रॉप स्टोर्ड फूड एंड रिंग ऑफ 6-8 ब्लाइंड ट्यूबुल एट जंक्शन ऑफ फोरगट और मिडगट. फोरगट और मिडगट के बीच में जो रिंग हमारी बनती है 6 to 8 ब्लाइंड ट्यूबुल की, वो उसका नाम है गैस्ट्रिक कैशिया. रिंग ऑफ 100 to 150 येलो कलर्ड थिन फिलामेंट. तो ये हमारी होगी विच दिस विल बी आवर Malpighian tubules. And structure used for grinding food is gizzard. So our answer is 1. Moving to next question will be 191. Choose the correct statement of juxtamedullary nephron. Juxtamedullary nephron is a loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla. Next question is also made the following. RNA polymerase 3. RNA polymerase 3 is our tRNA, or we can say as snRNA, tRNA. Okay. Termination of transcription. Termination of transcription is our rho factor. We terminate. Splicing of axon. Splicing of axon is done by SNRP, and Tata box is our promoter. So our answer is 4. Next, statement wise question is given here. The cerebral hemisphere are connected by nerve tract called corpus callosum. Yes, they connect. The brainstem consists of medulla oblongata, pons and cerebellum. Brainstem consists it. No, it doesn't consist medulla oblongata, pons and cerebellum because they are situated at hindbrain. So our answer is statement 2 is false. So our answer is 3. Next, moving to next question is some typical question like flow chart. GnRH, LH क्या करते हैं हमारा? LH is given here. Okay. GnRH, LH इस तरफ है तो हमारा ये तरफ होगा FSH. Okay. Now moving to B. LH what secrete? LH हमारा लेडिंग सेल सिक्रेट करते हैं न, और एंड्रोजन के बाद फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्पर्मेटिड. नाउ FSH के बाद हमारा सर्टोली सेल्स रिलीज होते हैं. सर्टोली सेल्स के रिलीज होने से हमारे स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस बनते हैं. सो और आंसर इज 1. Now, as per ABO blood grouping system, the blood group of father is B+, mother is A+, child O+. So, genotypic हमारा क्या बन सकता है? genotypic होगा हमारा IBI और IAI होगा या फिर II होगा. Okay. Now, moving to next question. Given are the two statements. It is also statement based question. Statement based questions. Statement 1 is saying bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocyte are produced. Yes, it is correct. Both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironment for development and maturation of T lymphocyte. Yes, they provide. So both statement are true. So our answer is 1. Moving to next question is here we have to select correct sequential steps. So about what? Catalytic cycle of an enzyme. So first what will happen in enzyme? First substrate enzyme complex formation will start. So here 1. Then substrate bind to its active site. Then what will happen? Free enzyme ready to bind with another substance. So it is our 3. Then after binding chemical bond will be broken, and at last it will release our product. So A, E, B, C. Our answer is again we will see it properly. First what will happen? Substrate binding to active sites. Okay. Then substrate enzyme complex formation will be started. After complex will be formed, then our chemical bond will broken. After Breaking it, we will get product. Okay, then free enzyme ready will be bind to substrate. So this is best. So our answer is 1. After it solving, we will solve the following here. P wave ये भी हमारा ब्रीथिंग एंड एक्सचेंज वाला एक चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है, चैप्टर क्लास 11 का. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पी वेव में इधर होगा डिपोलराइजेशन ऑफ एट्रिया. देन इन QRS वे हैव डिपोलराइजेशन ऑफ वेंट्रिकल्स. एंड टी वेव में हमारा होगा टी वेव रिपोलराइजेशन ऑफ वेंट्रिकल्स. एंड TP गैप जो हमारा है पूरा गैप हम बोलेंगे उसे हार्ट मसल्स आर इलेक्ट्रिकली सेलिएंट हियर. So the answer is 2. Moving to the next question is exophthalmic goiter. Exophthalmic goiter हमारा जो होता है वो थायराइड रिलेटेड होता है. So our answer is 3. Thyroid hormone. Okay. Acromegaly is due to excess growth. Excess growth means excessive secretion of growth hormone, right? Cushing's syndrome is excess सिक्रेशन ऑफ कोर्टिसol. मून फेस हो जाता है और हाइपरग्लिसीमिया बोलते हैं इसे. और क्रिटिनिज्म वे कॉल्ड एज अ हाइपो सिक्रेशन ऑफ थायराइड हार्मोन. सो द आंसर इज 4. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फॉलोइंग आर द स्टेटमेंट अबाउट नॉन कोर्डेट. नॉन कोर्डेटा में क्या फीचर्स हो सकते हैं? फेरिंग्स परफॉर्म्ड बाय गिल स्लिट. नो. नोटोकॉर्ड इज एब्सेंट और नॉट. यस, और नोटोकॉर्ड एब्सेंट होता है इधर पे. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम इज डोर्सल. नहीं, डोर्सल नहीं होती है, वेंट्रल होती है. हार्ट इज डोर्सल. ये हार्ट इज डोर्सल अगर प्रेजेंट है तो. और पोस्ट एनल तो होता ही, पोस्ट एनल तो एब्सेंट ही होता है. सो और आंसर 3 इज करेक्ट. एंड this all about our botany section and zoology section. I hope आपको सारे questions के answer clearly मिल गए होंगे. And all which I stated you, it is most important and expected question for NEET 2025. And this all are repeated question, and I will provide each and every important IMP and of physics, chemistry, biology. As you can see in my shorts, each and every IMP is provided there. Important MCQ was extracted from our official educator. So you can like this channel if you have seen and it is beneficial to you. I hope you get all the question answers properly and clearly. And thank you for seeing my videos, and do like and subscribe to my channel and get it for daily practice goals. And thank you.